As of now, the best cleaning techniques use 4 parameters: conductivity, temperature, flow rate, and time. Cleaning steps are determined empirically. Consequently, efficient cleaning time is inaccurately set. Opticlean is an optical sensor that determines the properties of in and out liquid streams during CIP. Opticlean will connect to your existing system. Simple to install, it has no contact between the sensor and the tested liquid. Opticlean is 3A certified. The sensors instantly determine accurately the cleaning profile, allowing the online qualification of cleaning, the detection of potential drifts, the recording of the cleaning profiles, all of which greatly improve the quality control. Opticlean also allows a substantial reduction in cleaning operations time, water and energy use. Those reductions generate a valuable gain of productivity and impact your CapEx and OpEx. Going Opticlean means improving on a global and durable industrial performance. Opticlean, an innovative solution from ELODYS.